What did I say again? Oh yeah, welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back, guys. Okay, bro, this is just the song. Okay. Today, okay, guys, today we are going to have another video. Okay, guys, today, this way, a YouTuber inspired me to, play a mod, the Don't Cry mod, and the Pixel Horror mod.
Yeah.
Did even
Sino
face
mo?
that? Okay.
Start.
Okay. Let's go get crafting table.
Ako pa, naubos to eh.
Wait, okay. Nah. Okay. Baby, you control me now. My face is to the wall with you, bit nasty. That got me. Baby, don't disturb me. I'm up for that. I lost the. Like, why the hell you wanna pay me that way? Look that way. Double my target life go on 99. I guys, you don't have cheats. Look, they don't have cheats. 99. Huh? But I don't know. Okay, guys, so we're mining coal right now. I recently don't have. I watched a video on TV that says Minecraft horror math isn't Minecraft thing.
Monday to Friday.
I really like that video. Shout out. I think, guys, you should subscribe to him because he's the GOAT. Always the GOAT, bro. So instead, just get sticks. Wait. And then I wake up. You get nasty, that got me. Baby, don't distract me. I'm a dogma. I Costa. Why the hell you wanna that way? I will shoot double face. Okay, guys, just get this copper for armor, or just even good armor and weapons and other things. Okay, smelt this first. Well, there's smelting. Explore this cave. I live in Hanging. My God. Okay, guys, so basically, just you can just leave the furnace there. I'ma go back. Did the freaking creeper explode? Not even a single thing here. Not everyone, you're the ow! You're the one, your best one. Maybe.
Kasi yung sa,
Wanna find you the one. Wanna find your mistake. No, I'm Think you wanted to feel
marketplace.
Yes, I've been waiting. Doesn't you care?
Makita ko sa inyo, marami na.
What's even this file? Okay. I forgot that I'm recording. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's just a.
It's
gonna slash.
sa inyo.
Bro, I thought I could tame an ass with that, but I can't. So let's just go on to our journey. Jackpot. There's a space art. Ulit. Iron.
Ano ba to si Ona? Gagawin nyo na to. Kasi ano na eh, 20 ano na ngayon. Why? 26 na po.
Let's come back.
Sundukan ng Kapalong Davao del Norte.
Wala na
Sa
tubig.
ilalim ng tanginan, may isang butas. Ang bungad nito ay maliit na gate.
Ilang araw na lang.
Tinatakpan ng mga
Iron
sangko.
warrior.
At kapag sisinig,
Work all
diliman sa loob
day
ng
and then I wake up. Work all day. Then I wake up. Work all day. Then I wake up. You. Wow.
Dapat 31.
Sinasabi niya ba?
Jackpot.
Gas at saka Yosef.
10 days.
Got so many iron. Yo, bro, this is why I like iron, bro. Iron, like, it's like crafts everything. Bro's literally the whole menu bar. Everything that you see in
ang susi sa kanyang kalayaan.
the hell.
Ang lahat sila nagsuot.
This one. Yo, bro. Why?
Ngayong umaga na. Ngayong umaga niya lang lang mahal. Tagal, first week pa lang.
I should have downloaded the mod.
Hindi ito kuryente o maling balita.
Sa may buhol yan.
Mahal na natin yung
Ng
video.
Bilaran City sa Bohol.
Oh, buhol.
Sa kable ng kanilang kuryente, may nakapulo.
Kaya niya ako natalino eh.
Ayun.
Sorry guys for the interference. I actually, my younger sister watching
Oh, yeah.
knows that aspect.
Napapaka-astig naman ang sarap. AI lang yan. Akala ka hindi mo akalain sa AI yan. Ano AI yan, di ba? Na-AI yan, di ba, Nay? Napapaka-astig naman ang sarap. Akala ka hindi mo akalain sa hindi balon yan. Galing naman.
Sinabi ko ba yun?
Take it up.
Tulad silipat sa bahel ng kalamitan, naalam na nga
We still
salang bola.
Okay.
Am-am.
Okay, one more.
Dalawa to si Pulis. Ginawa pa nga natin yun, nagdinis tayo.
Hey there, Quiz Dino friends! Welcome back to our channel!
Budget na kaya.
Today's challenge is Would You Rather? Mystery Gift Edition! How lucky will you be?
Okay, guys.
We've got 70 exciting rounds waiting for you, and you'll have only 8 seconds to make each choice. Are you ready?
Why did I even
Shout
give?
out to our amazing Dino Squad. We love reading your comments. So tell us which mystery gift was your favorite, and if luck was on your side today.
Meron
Now
pa nga
smash
isang
that
pet
like
dito
button,
eh.
hit subscribe, and let's
Yung daga
play.
na galing sa kwarto.
Come on, true.
Would you choose one of these or the mystery gift?
Mystery.
Ha?
Ako mystery.
Tugong bahay, dagang kanal yun.
Boy dyan.
How much would the woodchuck when the woodchuck look like you? The outside.
Which holiday would you celebrate
Ano
twice?
yung dagang bukid yun?
Your birthday.
Ano ba yan?
How will you design your bunk bed?
I'm scared.
Whoa,
Guys, should I go
that's a
out?
rainbow dumpling bunk bed.
Guys, should I go out?
Ayan pa yung gusto mo.
I think
App will
na.
you download?
I think yes. I think yes. I don't. Kaya.
Sa tayo, mystery.
A time travel app and a dream recorder app. Where would you throw your dream birthday party?
Okay.
Lego City. May surprise ako sa'yo.
Let's say. Ayan.
You're off to Nintendo World.
I actually.
Who would you love to meet? Erling Holland.
Prito tayo itlog! Ay, kayo matin!
Play it safe.
Ah.
It's the mystery gift.
Dito lang ako. Kasi nagprentuhan mo dyan.
Si Uno. Aso.
How cool! You've got a pet that drives. Only 8 seconds. Lock one in now.
Cotton candy.
Oh my god!
It's a popcorn snowstorm. Starts at 79. Jumping.
Bro, when is it going to go in day?
Welcome back to Big Quiz. 20 fun riddles for geniuses only. Are you ready to test your mental abilities? So focus carefully, think fast, don't cheat. Before we begin, tell us which country you're watching this video from. Let's begin. The first challenge for you Look carefully at this picture and tell me who is not a student. You have 10 seconds.
Nasa side. Ayan nga. Pinili ko eh.
This boy isn't a student because everyone else is wearing school uniforms. But this boy is
Ba yan? Akala ko 3 cancer.
Walang
the
logo
next
yung
challenge
eh.
for you. Who is the cheater?
Kamukha mo na si
If you
Ina.
look carefully, you'll find out who is cheating.
District.
3 kasi may earphones.
Pwede tayo gawin niya.
Kaya let's... Oh wait.
Look closely at
Why do I always literally get distracted? Oh my god.
the next challenge for you.
Oh hell no!
Tell me which of these two rules is not very smart.
Hell no, bro. I'm enabling cheats. Bro, like, okay, guys. Maybe, oh my god, my ear getting cheats, yo. Bro, what do you think I am?
Because hot wax is falling on her hand.
I am not.
She turned off the
I am not him, boy. Boy, I am not him. I will just turn off.
The next
I will
challenge.
just turn off cheats anyway. Again.
Who is the dog's owner? Friend, you have 10 seconds. Look at the picture carefully and tell who is the real owner of the dog.
1. Yeah, bro. Let's go.
Kuya,
This boy is the dog's real owner. Look carefully. The robot has magic hooks around the dog's neck.
Wala na naman.
The next challenge for you.
Okay.
Who's the boy?
Okay, finally.
If you figured it out in 10
Oh my god, there's so many. I need cheats,
ito yung boy.
but it doesn't
Dito
literally
yung
stop.
boy. Yung naka-red. Yung naka-red. Ayoko na egg.
Look carefully at the things he is wearing. The shaving supplies are right here. This means he is a boy. The next challenge for you. Who is the big barber? Look carefully and take your time.
Number 1. Oh, number 1.
Some time.
The next challenge for you. Who's not a member of the family? Look carefully at the entire picture. We are sure you will find out.
Yung boy sa gilid. Naka-green. Boy sa gilid yung naka-green.
Look closely at the family
Diba?
picture on the wall behind. This boy is not in that family.
Okay guys, sorry but I'm Filipino. I'm just talking English so other people around the world could understand me. Most likely in the USA.
Girl, you have 10 seconds.
But pretty big Minecraft.
Number 1.
Craft.
1.
This girl has one toothbrush, while this girl has 2. This means she's not single.
Bro, my little
Next challenge for
my
you.
my freaking cousin we could be doing side quests on the TV.
Number 1.
Okay.
Number 1. Number 1. 1 yan, 1. 1.
Yo bro, let's throw this llama.
This girl has the same wife.
7.
This is the boy's real wife.
Nah bro, I ain't going there.
The next challenge for you. Who is actually dead? Look closely at all four patients. You have 10 seconds left.
Number 3. Number 2.
Look closely at this boy. He is not breathing. The other 2 are breathing. This means this patient is dying. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.
Who's that? You mean
The next
like cracking the neck?
Who is the prisoner? You have 10 seconds.
My god, let's just build a boat and find another island. We are literally in an island.
Kung ininom mo yung Wilkins, diyan ka uminom.
Ha?
Diyan mo ininom? Diyan ininom? natin to. Inumin nyo na. Masa, naka-dyan. Dadalhin nga sa baby dapat. Lalagay ka pa.
How much with a woodchuck check when a woodchuck look like you?
Ay, study.
Oo na.
No. Wala. Ano sabi? Mag-9-11.
Bro.
Exercise ako.
Eat na, burdo. Eat.
Malunggay pandito.
Guys, you can't skip this part because we're basically on an island. So,
Dapat di ba mga sa...
yeah.
Malunggay pandesal song.
Yeah,
Walang
let's go find. Skip the whole thing, by the way.
malunggay pandesal. Ito. Naman ang pandesal, walang isa sa go. Ang ano nyo, yo.
Oh, bro, I just see someone there. He disappeared. Let's go. Guys, if you watch my first horror Minecraft video, okay.
Malunggay pandesal. Pandesal. Bong. Ano sinasaya namin ito sa school eh? Lahat naman tayo sinasaya namin sa school. Sinasaya namin yan sa room eh.
Wow.
Okay. Guys, you can just, skip the whole part. Like, actually skip the whole part.
Help.
Because... Never mind! We find another island. Okay, let me just abandon. Okay, bye-bye, boat. I won't need you. Of course I need you. Okay. Let's go. Yo, bro, I thought there was something because I stopped.
I
Got
can
jump
explain na
scared.
lang. Isa na lang.
Wait, like actually I need food. In a bed.
Panis ka pang si Helen. Magkala mo. Daligo ka.
Isumayaw. Tinadyak. Sumayaw. Okay. How many minutes are in? 23 minutes.
Kaya ka na.
Let's go! We found a village. Oh my god.
So, FF inanaw. Good head.
What the hell?
Sabay kong inaw. Walang
Get out of my way.
pipito.
This is why. Yeah, bro. That's the point of not giving up. Always wander around until you find your goal. Or not. Because you get eaten by zombies.
Umanaw. Kung handa. Isa lang.
Why is the tree looking weird?
Ay, nabisa ko.
Bro, who is that?
Inasalas ko yung malapit ko na ba?
To-
Ano to?
What the? You disappeared! It's kinda weird.
Nasa mga bata sa school.
Let's set our respawn. Let's just set our respawn point here in case if we die. Respawn of the village. Oh my god, I'm so
Nanay! Ate! Ginagawa namin to sa school. Ginagawa namin yan sa school, yan Dati ginagawa namin yan sa school. Ayun ko tari, ayun lang naman. Babay kayo, ano sa room? Kasi nandun.
I'm not cheating. I'm cheating, bro.
Ayun, yan dito na ang pagkain.
Kaya ako siya sumali.
Ganun, sayaw.
Ay, TikTok mas up tara. Sige.
Okay.
Ako mag-church. Ilan na ako Brazilian din? Huwag naman Brazilian din siya.
Guys, sorry for cheating. Guys, I will turn off the video first because I will turn off the video because I'm going to eat now. So, bye.
Nanay!